Hi everyone, welcome to another exciting English learning video. Today we're diving into the world of modal verbs. These are small but mighty words that help us express ability, possibility, obligation and more. In this video we'll cover 3 levels: beginner, intermediate and advanced. And guess what? There's a quiz at the end of each level to test your skills. So stick around to see how much you've learned. Let's start with the basics. Modal verbs for ability. These are great for talking about what you can or can't do now, and what you could or couldn't do in the past. Beginner's level. Be able to. We sometimes use be able to instead of can or could for ability. Be able to is possible in all tenses. Present is able to, or past was able to. Can. This is to express that someone has the ability to do something. Can is possible only in the present tense. Could is possible only in the past for ability to do something. In addition, can and could have no infinitive form. A vet, treat exotic animals without special training. When he was younger, the firefighter, climbed tall ladders easily. A chef, cook for 50 people at a time because they have a large kitchen. Last year, the pilot, fly long-haul flights because they were still in training. Intermediate level. Might and may. We use may and might to talk about things that are possibly true, but we don't know for sure. Must comes first in the verb phrase, after the subject and before another verb. She must have lots of friends. Must can't be used with another modal verb. An engineer, find a creative solution to a design problem. A journalist, verify their sources before publishing an article. A musician, perform in front of a large audience tonight. A scientist, wear safety equipment when working with chemicals. Advanced level. Should. Used to give advice, suggest something, or express what is right or expected in the present or future. Why we use it. It helps express recommendations or expectations clearly. For example, you should drink more water to stay healthy. An advice. Ought to. Similar to should, but often emphasises a moral obligation or strong advice. Why we use it? It adds a sense of duty or ethics to the statement. For example, you ought to respect your elders is a moral obligation. Would expresses hypothetical situations, polite requests, or habits in the past. Why we use it? It adds politeness, creates hypothetical scenarios, or reflects on past routines. For example, I would travel the world if I had more money. Hypothetical. Could have refers to a missed opportunity, possibility, or ability in the past. Why we use it? It expresses regret or speculation about something that didn't happen. For example, I could have won the race if I had trained harder. Should have expresses regret, criticism, or an unfulfilled obligation in the past. Why we use it? It highlights what ought to have been done but wasn't. For example, you should have left earlier to avoid the traffic, a missed opportunity. Might have suggests possibility or speculation about a past event. Why we use it? It's a softer, less certain way to guess about what could have happened. For example, he might have missed the bus. It's a speculation. What advice would you give this person? What would you say about this situation? What might the runner be thinking? What conclusion can we make about the person who ate here? What might the baker be thinking? What could have happened to the other students?
Great job, everyone! You've learned how to use modal verbs across all levels. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and share it with your friends. And let me know in the comments what's your favourite modal verb. See you in the next video. Bye!